Ahambo Chisom.
Your name?
Chisom Pius Agashi.
What did they call you?
They call me Baron.
Who be Ekwensu Igbo?
I'm the Ekwensu Igbo. The name where they use know me for my herbalist work.
Ekwensu Igbo, have you? Which time you joined ESN unknown government?
Sir, I didn't join. I was just giving them granules.
Okay, you are supplying granules to the unknown government. What is granules?
I'm giving them I think ransom. As in
ammunition.
Rounds.
Okay, rounds. What kind of rounds do you give them?
AK, G3.
AK and G3. Okay. How much rounds? According to Calamity said he saw you in Jukwese's camp where you carried granite to his camp. How much rounds did you carry to
200 and something. G3 was about 80 something pieces.
80 something rounds of G3 and then
150 something.
150 something rounds of AK. Now,
I want you to control that in sharply.
Okay.
The reason.
Okay. You said you supplied the AK-47 ammunition and G3 ammunition. How many times have you supplied Jukwese ammunition?
2 times.
2 times. At each time, how much did he pay you?
It's only they normally give me transport. It depends on how the journey is. Depends on how emergency it is. You understand? Sometimes they pay me 200,000. Sometimes they pay me
labor. Then the ammunition, how much do you buy them?
335.
335 for each.
Yes.
Where do you get it from? How do you get those ammunition?
There is a civil defense man.
What's the name of the civil defense man?
I don't know his name, but he's from Iku. So I know where he is. I know where he works.
Where does he work?
He works at a free station opposite First Bank. I don't know whether I'm Ugoja. I'm thinking Ugoja Road be that way from Vanco. Go Sprendo here.
There they work. Okay, so you get your ammunition from him?
Yes.
So outside Jukwese's camp, how many other camps have you supplied ammunition?
He's only there and Calamity.
And
He's only there
Calamity's
to people
camp.
have given something.
And Calamity's camp. Now, you were also part of those that attacked the policemen at Asaba.
No.
You were not part of it.
I was not among of them, to
Okay.
be honest with you.
Okay. So how did you then go to Asaba and carry those rifles down to Ebonyi State?
It's because somebody that introduced me to Calamity, that make me to know Calamity.
Who introduced you to Calamity?
The person is from Imo State, but he's not in Ebonyi. I don't know where he is now. So he introduced me to Calamity. So that was how I know Calamity. Reaching the time they wanted to move from Asaba, Delta, to Ebonyi here. So they called me as a job. You understand? To help them to move it.
So you moved the weapons. How did you move the weapons?
I put it in the bag.
Which kind of bag?
Straven bag.
Then where did you put it? Which kind of vehicle did you enter?
I entered vehicle.